Hello guys, a very warm welcome. It's Choma here back with another video, and for today guys I am unboxing the Tress March box. I know I'm a little bit late, I'm a little bit tardy, but nevertheless March is still here. We're still in March, so I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys quickly, just be able to show you what's in the box, tell you a little bit about Tress, who they are, and how you can get a little discount as well, because I got you guys, I always got you. So if you want to be able to see what's in this box and a little bit of a chit chat about Tress, then stick around. Alright guys, here we go. So if you guys don't know, Tress is a monthly subscription service that provides you with natural hair products to be able to help you with maintaining, grooming your natural curls, right? So they very much want you to be able to embrace your natural self, embrace your natural hair, and they're able to help you along the way with providing you with different products that will come in the box each month, and with instruction as well, which is absolutely amazing, because you know what, sometimes it's hard to know what a product will do, hard to know how to use a product if you haven't used it and if it's the first time that you're using it. So they actually give you a description of that within the box itself. So when I received mine this month, I was super excited, and this is definitely one I could not wait to share with you guys. Okay, let's make it nice and quick this video. You know I like to talk in it. You know I like to talk. So the Tress box comes in a box like this. You've got a lovely little girl on the box with a big old afro puff. You know we like our afro puff. And a treasure box, which is obviously the Tress logo, if you guys have seen them on Instagram especially. And the side of the box says it's packed with love. The bottom of the box says the hunt is over, and it definitely is, because they've got some goodies in here guys. They definitely have got some goodies in there. So when you open the box, there's usually a card that comes with it, and for the March edition it was actually a takeover. So this was a takeover by HeyCurlie. So she actually created this box, and creating this box is she chose the products that actually have gone into this box for this particular month. Of course it's March, so it was a Mother's Day edition box. It's the ultimate styling box takeover, and you're also given instructions of how to use each individual product as you go along. And there are some bonus goodies in there as well. This is actually pretty cool. I like this, because then at least you know how you're using the products as you go along. Okay, now opening up even further, this is literally like a lip box. This is literally a lip box. Like look at this is a very sexy Tress box, might I say. Like, you guys, just shout out to HeyCurlie, because she hooked us up. She really hooked us up. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what's in this box. The first styling product in this box is the Sheer Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment. You know me, I'm a Sheer Moisture virgin. I've never really bought any Sheer Moisture products, so I'm keen to be able to try this and see how it actually works out. So that is the leave-in. It does look really good. The next one, of course, the brand needs no introduction here, because you know I love this brand. It's the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair. This is a moisture curl hair milk. So you guys know I'm a ride or die for the argan oil from Morocco range from Cream of Nature. I haven't tried the coconut milk range, so I'm excited to be able to try that. Still from Cream of Nature, the coconut milk range is the Curl Repair Leave-In. It locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. So this, I guess, will be an alternative leave-in to the Sheer Moisture spray leave-in. So it'll be quite interesting to be able to see. Okay. This is another leave-in, which is interesting. So we've got two leave-ins as part of the styling process, but what HeyCurlie has said is that you're going to use the Sheer Moisture leave-in treatment to detangle and moisturize, and then you're going to use the Cream of Nature coconut milk curl repair leave-in as part of step 3 in the styling process. So we'll see how that works out. That'll be quite interesting to be able to try. Okay, HeyCurlie is like a girl after my own heart. She did not leave us stranded with the edges either. So also included in the Tress box is the Twisted Sister Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel, and this has got coconut, avocado, and almond oils. You guys know me and my edge control. I don't need to tell you guys about me and my edge control, okay? I actually haven't tried any products from the Twisted Sister, so this will be again something new that I'll be trying out. So to help with the styling process as well, because the idea with these products is that you're creating the perfect twist out, she's also included perm rods. And I have yet to try perm rods, guys. I think I got like some perm rods ages ago, but literally they're sitting in the back of my, wherever they're sitting in the back of. So I actually haven't tried perm rods. And I've watched a couple of HeyCurlie's videos and I like the way she combines the twists with the perm rods. So this is actually really perfect to be able to try. So I'm really excited to be able to get styling now, I guess. They are also 2 bonus products. And it's from a brand that needs no introduction because I'm obsessed with their leave-in conditioner. I actually need to re-up, and I need to re-up on 4 bottles as well. So this is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado. I've got the Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo and the Detangling Leave-in Conditioner. You know I like this leave-in conditioner. You know I like... Not even, I love this leave-in conditioner. And like I feel like with Design Essentials, and you guys know, like, these products were picked out for me at Afro Hair and Beauty in terms of like my textured hair, like from Design Essentials. They say that this is the best range for me, the almond and avocado, and I could not agree more. Like, there's something in it that my kinky coily textured hair absolutely loves. I haven't tried any other range, but for me the almond avocado range is just like, it's so lush. And I hadn't tried the shampoo. Obviously I've been trying the leave-in conditioner, so I'm actually going to save these for when I'm traveling, and I'm definitely going to re-up on the 4 products because like this is not going to get me far. This is not going to get me far at all. I'm saving this for when I'm on holiday. You know, the long haul ones where you will need like a wash day or 2 and that extra leave-in conditioner that you just need in your pocket. I feel like those 2 will be really handy for that. So yeah, I'm super excited to actually be able to get tucked in with the products and try them out. I'll try out one of the styles that HeyCurlie does, so it'll be actually interesting to be able to see how it works on my hair, because HeyCurlie has got really long hair and it's gorgeous hair. So we'll be able to see how these products work for my hair type, so that will be interesting. But yeah, I'm super excited to get tucked in. Thank you so much to Tress for sending me this box and making me part of your Afro hair community. And before I end this video, this is where you can get a little discount, okay? This is where you can take yourself to treasuretress.co.uk and get yourself a first box and get 10% off if you use my code. Just use the code CHUMA and you'll be able to get 10% off of your subscription box. This will be your first subscription box that you get 10% off of, and trust me, you won't regret it. And I wish I knew about it earlier. So I definitely recommend you going over to their website, checking them out, using my code CHUMA to be able to get 10% off, and you'll be good to go. Boom, you will be good to go. Okay guys, and that is a wrap from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video for Tress. Look out for my next video on how I'll actually be using the products to style my hair. And in the meantime, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit me up in the comments below for a general chit chat, or if you've got any other questions. And if this is the first time that you're checking me out, or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red button so that you never miss a beat. Also, turn on the auto notification bell. That way you know every single time I post the video. Alright guys, until next time, bye! Going on across the board. You ain't never seen a girl like me this before. I am strong, I am sturdy, I am all I wanna be. You ain't never seen a girl with no afro hair like me. Hey! We got it going on. Robot.